How to report someone on TikTok. Hello everyone, I'm Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the App Store on your device first and search for TikTok there. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version. Now open the TikTok application on your device. Select the profile you want to report. There, tap on the share button on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for report there on the bottom left of your screen now. Tap on that. You will have two options here, that is, report account or report content. If you want to report just the content, then tap on report content, and if you want to report the account entirely, then tap on report account. Select the reason for why you are reporting this account. You can select any of the option that is applicable in your case and then tap on submit option. With this, you have successfully reported the account. If you want, you can view the reported account report and you can also block the individual. It is totally up to you. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.